Hi guys! Hello! Kumusta naman yung kusina natin? So ayan, medyo makalat yung ating kusina kasi napabayaan natin kaninang umaga since umalis ako papuntang school at saka nag-prepare rin ako para kay Zik papuntang school. So well, si Papa pumunta rin ng work. So lahat kami, everyone have to leave the house this morning. So, ayan guys. So, ngayon pala, alas 4 na dito ng hapon. Kararating lang namin ng bahay ni Zik kasi pinick up ko siya sa school. So, ayan. As you can see, sobrang maliwanag dito sa may bandang bintana. Kasi meron pa nga akong sinampay, oh. Kasasampay ko lang niya yan. Kasi maganda yung weather. Saka finally, nagpakita si Mr. Sun today. For this week, ito ang start ng magandang weather again. Tapos bukas daw, yun ang sabi. Yun ang prediction para bukas. Magiging maganda daw yung weather. As usual, malamig na rin. Yung ibon namin nasa labas kasi it's been almost the whole day. Nandito yan sa loob. Hindi naman namin pwedeng ilabas yan habang walang tao dito sa bahay kasi hindi siya safe. Minsan kasi guys, may mga pusa dito na minsan andyan sila dito sa may fence. Pag nakita nila na may ibon dyan, there's a possibility na pwede nilang atakihin. So hindi pwede nating pabayaan sa labas ng walang tao dito sa bahay. Say hi to them. Oh sige, no. O sige, ayaw ni Zik magpakuha ng video, tayo na lang guys. So ngayon, si Zik actually pagdating namin, gusto niya daw magkaka. So, ang ginawa ko, sige, we have to go up kasi yung bathroom namin is nasa taas, sa first floor. So, doon ko na siya pinagamit ng toilet kasi diretsohin ko na, paliliguan ko siya kaagad right after. Pag natapos siyang magpupo. So, yun. So, ngayon, press ko na si Zik, napaliguan ko na siya. So ngayon, habang nandun siya nanonood, ako naman dito ako sa kusina. Hindi ko lang sure kung anong lulutuin ko kasi para kay Zik, normally, gusto ko sanang pakainin lang siya ng rice. Meron akong cocktail Worcestershire. So it's sausages na maliliit. Actually, ayaw kong prituhin siya. Ayokong prituhin to. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa oven. Then, painitin ko lang siya. And then, para hindi mamantika. Ayoko lang gumamit ng butter or mantika. Kasi, ano lang naman yan eh. Soft naman yan. At hindi na kailangan lutuin. Iinitin ko lang siya. Kahapon, gumawa ako ng pansit. Nagdala kasi ako ng konting portion lang naman para sa kaibigan ko, kaklase ko dun sa Netherlands les namin. She is actually from Thailand. And nagbigay siya guys ng noodles sa akin. So ngayon, in return, gusto ko siyang bigyan also ng Filipino style noodles. So ayan guys, tingnan mo, madami pa diba? So ayan guys, madami pa nga talagang tira ito. As you can see, ewan ko kung nanonotice nyo, tingnan nyo yung noodles. Hindi mamantika yung pagkakagawa ko kasi naglagay nga ako ng chicken dyan, pero walang yung balat ng chicken. Tanggal lahat ng balat ng chicken. So, puro ano lang siya, meat. Walang skin, chicken skin. And then, more of vegetables. And then, hindi na ako naglagay ng mantika rin. Yun naman talaga guys, ang gusto kong gawin sa aking pansit na hindi siya mamantika. Kami naman guys, ni Kit, ang pagkain namin for tonight is, so ito guys, ay, piprituhin ko siya. Ito yung ulam namin para mamayang dinner na kunin schnitzel. Ang hirap naman mabasa guys. Ayan, kayo nang magbasa. Isang word lang siya pero ang haba, tsaka yung spelling daw. Oh. So in short, ano to? Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Pero guys, really masarap to. Masarap siya, kaya gusto ko siyang bilhin sa shop, sa grocery, kasi both of us, si Kit, gustong-gusto niya rin yan. So, ayan, nagpainit lang ako dito ng butter. Tapos, susunod na natin ilagay yung ating schnitzel. So, ayan na. Isa lang na natin, guys. Good, 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 good. Ilagay lang natin siya on 5. Para tama lang yung fire. Hindi siya masunog kaagad. So, tama lang yan, number 5. Guys, alas 7 na po dito ng gabi pero maliwanag pa. Si Zeke, actually, antok na yan. Kasi pagod. Pero nilalabanan niya pa rin, tinan niyo. Laro ng laro pa rin. Pero okay lang guys, kasi wala naman siyang pasok bukas. Wala naman kaming pasok, so it's okay. Zeke, je bent mooi jongen. Je bent knappe jongen. Ja.
We searched the whole city and found nothing. No big deal. We'll set a trap.
Hoe laat is
Sure,
Zeke?
they'll return to their homes sooner. Great plan. We will definitely.
Antok na si Kuya Zeke.
It seems to me that a regular prison is not suitable for them.
What is that, Kuya Zeke? Ah, yeah, it's Mike and JJ again. And why it's a girl that is speaking? Ah, yeah. Si Zeke, mahilig kasi siya sa Roblox. Ewan ko kung nakaka-relate kayo ng Roblox. Yeah.
Mommy, Mike and Chicken have a car.
They have a car? Oh, nice. So, yung Roblox na pinapanood ni Zeke, maganda to. Maganda tong video na to. It's a very child-friendly videos. Why I say that? Kasi, bakit ko nasabi guys? Kasi hindi sila gumagamit ng mga harsh na words when they are gaming. Hindi sila gumagamit ng mga, alam niyo yun, yung mga rude na mga words dito. As in, simplify na mga salita pero very detailed. Kaya si Zeke, dun siya, natututo si Zeke ng English dahil dyan din. Papa, say hi!
Hello.
Welcome back! Good morning.
He's playing games.
Pagod si Papa. Papa is really tired also today. Kasi busy-busy sila ngayon. Medyo inuubo-ubo pa. So, ayan. Mamaya-maya kakain na rin kami ng dinner. Medyo late na nga yung 7:10 na dito ng gabi. Guys, ngayon pa lang kami kakain. Alas 9 na dito. It's 9 o'clock already. Ngayon lang kami magdi-dinner.
But that's actually typical European, eh? Really? No, it's really, it's true. It's true. It's not like in America.
Ang Pinoy, very early kumain.
Yeah.
Pero kasi si pinatulog ko muna. Tulog na si Zeke, guys. Ang sweet pa naman ng batang yun. Bago matulog, bago siya makatulog. Nag-whisper pa siya sa akin. Sabi niya, I love you, Mama. Tara, kain tayo. So,
Kain na.
ito, rabbit. Ito yung niloto kong rabbit, guys. Schnitzel. At saka, meron ako ditong pansit. So, ayan lang. Tapos, kay Papa Kit, uy, mahuhulog. Ay!
With potato.
Kay Papa Kit naman is potatoes and may isang peraso lang ng broccoli kasi yun ang hindi na ako nagluto kagabi kasi yan na leftover na potato. So, hindi pwede namin itapon yan kasi naka-fridge naman yan. Otherwise, nagsasayang tayo ng food. Then, meron ding rabbit schnitzel. It's actually good. Masarap. Masarap yung rabbit
Schnitzel.
It's really hard to, how you say that, to pronounce this ulam because it says Koningen
Yeah,
schnitzel.
okay, you say first conejo.
Conejo?
Huh? Conejo is
Konijn.
almost the same like
say it.
konijn.
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 In Netherlands term, konijn. Sa atin naman, conejo. Di ba? May pagka-related. Kain tayo. Kasi dapat kakain na ako kanina bago matulog si Zeke. But I also want to eat together with Papa, so I said, we'll put Zeke first to sleep, to bed. And then after, saka kami kakain.
Schnitzel is really good.
Diba?
It's like also very soft. It's like
Para siyang puree. It's like a mashed meat mixed with some maybe herbs. Herbs. When we were in Malta, last vacation,
but I didn't like it. I didn't like it.
yung parang, their rabbit kasi they are known for making a rabbit specialty in Malta. Trinay namin pero it's like nothing special with their food.
No.
Para siyang adobo guys, pero it's more of they put a lot of herbs into it. Also the anise, di ba? Star anise. Parang I don't like it. The combination of their herbs.
No.
But yeah, it's not kasi our food here.
No. Here in Belgium we also eat conejo.
Yeah. Well, I mean the way they prepare it. The combination of their herbs,
Yeah.
spices.
But here I really like it. But the way they do it, no. I cannot understand.
And then plus their coffee. Their Maltese coffee
It was also with star anise.
also with star anise.
It was like a blue wine, a hot wine.
Alam nyo guys, I really want to try their coffee kasi of course I really wanted to discover how it tastes like. Tapos
Culturally.
I don't like guys. Ayoko ng Maltese coffee. In the Philippines we use star anise for like when we are making biko and humba, pork humba. It's a dish, a bit of sweet because we put pineapple juice into it. So it's like we call it humba. Sweet. Humba.
It's good, yeah?
Yesterday the food also is good. I mean the one I fried.
The burger?
The burger, but
Was
it's
good.
diba? Was good.
Yeah, it was good.
I bought that from Aldi. It's the first time I fried that kind of meat. Kasi I was tempted to buy that kasi it's with onions on top. Guys, salamat pala sa panonood niyo ng vlog namin. Though hindi kami madalas mag-upload and though it's not always, Kit is always in the video. It's mostly Zeke and me. But I tried to find some time together na kasama ko si Kit tong isa sa video. Kasi he's really busy at work then. A lot of time. More hours of work.
Part of life. It's normal, eh, Mama? Normal, eh?
So yan, ngayon, I made a way para meron kaming video naman together. Yeah?
Thank you, Mama.
Siyempre.
Maraming salamat.
The first, thank you, Papa. But actually, we're enjoying the food, and Kit also is enjoying the food. Salamat! Thank you for watching, guys. I hope to see you guys soon. End na namin yung vlog namin kasi may pag-uusapan pa kami. We have a very important matter to talk about.
Yeah?
It's about business. But yeah guys, salamat sa panonood nyo. I hope to see you guys soon in my next vlog. Salamat! Bye-bye!
You said already bye-bye, so I can be crazy, eh?